Hello farmers, this is Menigte Farms here again. I hope you are keeping safe against COVID-19 and respecting the standard operating procedures. Yeah, so the economy is plunging into deep crisis due to this pandemic, and of course agriculture sector is not an exception. The good thing is we still have an opportunity to really grow food and rare animals. Evidence shows that for every pandemic like this one we have, there is a resulting epidemic, and potentially it is envisaged that hunger levels are really going to increase, and the saviors of these are farmers. And we can do this by utilizing every small space and the resources that we have at hand into food production or animal rearing. I want to take this time to show you an urban farming business case that we are setting up here. This is a structure, raised structure that we have been able to set up. It has the capacity of accommodating 4 doors and 2, or if you want to use it for the backs, it can be able to accommodate only 2, this one. So I'll show you again the feeder options that we've been able to put at this urban farm. This is a long feeder. It has a capacity to feed 20 goats side by side. So that means even if we had a good number of doors producing, we would still have the capacity to feed these goats. It is guarded against the vagaries of weather, that even if it rains and there is food, the animals can still eat at a later stage, and the food will be safe here. The other one is this other portable one. This feeder is portable, you can see, can lift it, and it has the base where you can put the grain, but also this other upper part where you can put the hay. Goats being naturally browsers, they can browse through this wire mesh. There are other options for the water trough that are available here, so that after the goats have eaten, they're able to drink their water, clean water, and it is really movable, but also convenient that you can, after clean it thoroughly well. Goats are naturally clean animals, so they like clean things, so that's why this should always be very clean. I'll take you to the other strategies that I've been able to put in place. Yeah, so we were able to plant pastures before, and we have harvested hay. So then this means the animals will not lack food when they arrive as we bring them. We also found that this farm of ours had already created a concrete floor, and of course having put in a lot of investment, so we had to put some of these pallets so that in case the animals put their droppings and the urine down, it can easily be cleaned without being in contact with the animals. There is also a kids barn here, a kid barn. It's a kid barn that we have set up for the kids, and the doors will basically be in this other area that you see. So I want to show you where we planted the pastures, and this is not really a big space, not even 50 by 100, but we are going to do a case of 20 goats here at this farm. Yes, so dear farmers, most of you have 50 by 100 plots, or even big chunks of land, and you're wondering what you can do with some of these plots. Just like I've been telling you, this is an urban case. We have been able to plant pastures here, and we have categorized them. We have permanent pastures like the napier, sugar napier, we have the yellow maize, the Guatemala, So these pastures we can keep harvesting. We harvest and they regenerate. And we have grown some Chloris Guyana here and the other side, and we have pearl millet already here. So these pastures are the ones who have been getting our hay from. So we have been harvesting and we keep as hay, so that when the animals come, they have already a balanced diet feed that is prepared for them. But also continuously we have a sustainable pasture strategy that is going to sustain the goats inside there, as I've been showing you. So this is really a small piece of land, but we are going to be able to have these animals here. I'll be showing you subsequently when we bring in the animals and how they reproduce, so that we use this time profitably to grow food even with the small spaces, and a challenge to even some of us who have bigger chunks of land to really engage in food production and goat farming as an option. Thank you so much for listening to us. Subscribe to our YouTube channels, and please follow us for subsequent episodes regarding this project.